Hi, Ashita Star Goddess. So I really wasn't gonna do a video today, but I saw something on my Facebook feed and like all on Google and stuff. Black goo, black substance, fell from the sky in Michigan today. It looked like tar. They don't know what it was. I have not really read the article, but I saw pictures of this black goo, and if you look up black goo on Google, there's a lot of controversy around it. A lot of people say, oh, it's a liquid crystal with demonic energies. Oh, it's this, it's that. Well, people actually sell this black goo in Germany because it comes down in the rainwater a lot. And also it's in the water in Galveston. Like if you live near Texas, in the Gulf of Mexico, a lot of people say that there's black goo in the water of the Gulf of Mexico. And also that giant BP oil spill that happened like a couple of years ago, they're saying it's actually a cover-up for black goo coming out of the ground under the ocean. And that's why they had all the military there and blah, 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 blah. So that's, you know, that's here and there. So we can't really prove it, but these are the 3 places so far that have black goo. Now, it fell from the sky in Michigan. It's all in people's cars. They had like big clumps of it. And my take on what black goo really is, it is, and even like, you know, it's, to me, what it represents, to me symbolically, is dark energy, dark matter, manifesting. There's countless movies and scientific and metaphysical symbolism that revolves around goo, some type of primordial substance, okay? For example, if you watch the movie Ghostbusters 2, there was like this pink goo that was like underneath the city, and it would react to human emotion, and it was building up because of certain types of energy. And then, you know, there's just countless other movies that have like ectoplasm from like, you know, different spiritual entities or different dimensions. Like whenever there's an alien movie, sometimes the alien will leave a goo behind. So this goo is like, you know, in lots of things. And a lot of times people will go to the negative automatically and say, oh, it's evil, oh, it's evil, it's... And even in like the Bible, if you go by the Bible in Revelations, it says the heavens will fall from the sky, or the heavens will rain down on the earth. Well, the heavens is mostly black, dark energy and dark matter. And so, you know, that could be some part of it. Also, and I'm not trying to scare anybody because I don't believe in like the end times, because I just don't. If the end time is your last day on earth, that you're alive. So that's how I feel about it. So I feel like these types of things are happening right now because this is my opinion only, okay? I don't have any books you can go read this on, but this is just my opinion. I believe that like there are different portals opening. I believe that there's different energies going in and out of certain dimensions, and this black goo is also a byproduct and a result of that. There are lots of, you know, theories of what it could be. It could be toxic waste, it could be this, it could be that. But in my opinion, I think it is a metaphysical byproduct of something happening spiritually, okay, on the planet at this time. A lot of people have the conspiracy that there's a hole in the earth near the North Pole, and Michigan is pretty, you know, pretty northern, and there's a lake there as well. Now we also know that lakes and bodies of water are also known as portals, and a lot of conspiracy says that there's underground things under the ocean as well. So you never know. And also there's more frequent UFO sightings in Michigan and in Texas than there is like this year, 2015 to 2016, this year, than there have been anywhere else. So if you want to research that, you can, but there's been a lot of sightings of things that, like 2 days ago, I saw a meteor, and who knows if those are really meteors coming down. Who knows what that is? You can't, I mean, you can't go up there and look for yourself, so you just have to take, you know, NASA's word on it. But either way, I'm fine with it. I think actually it's a good thing, because everyone's starting to study dark energy, dark matter. They just discovered that Einstein's relativity theory can be proven, and like all of this stuff is just coming to, you know, to the surface, and everybody's figuring things out faster, and they're actually letting a lot of people know about it. Things are becoming more scientific, and the bridge between metaphysics and, you know, science are, you know, are less and less now, because we can prove lots of things that maybe 100 years ago they would say, oh, it's magic, but now they can prove it scientifically. So this is why I say, you know, if you practice magic, if you do this, if you do that, you're basically working on something that has been proven scientifically. We know the law of attraction can be proven scientifically. We know that a lot of things that people said were magic a long time ago now can be proven scientifically. So really, it's just science that can't be proven yet as far as, you know, practicing magic. And that's why I like to break down things sometimes when I do spells, when I do magic. I like to break it down scientifically, so you know exactly why this ingredient is important, or why this type of intention is important, or why this color, or why this type of material is important. What scientific value does it hold? This is all mostly science, but in order to explain it to someone who's not like a quantum physicist, you got to use simple words like magic. Okay, so, and plus it's easier to explain, it's easier to apply, and it's easier to accept. And even though it's like a lot of people will have their doubts about it, once they prove it scientifically, then it's like, oh my god, it was right, it was so true. So, you know, lots of it is, you know, energy. A lot of things have to do with energy. So like right now on the planet, especially in the United States, there's lots of energy that's going around. There's the presidency up for grabs. There's, you know, the whole controversy behind the racism that has like spurred up again, and there's a lots of, you know, talk, and there's lots of confusion where, you know, consciousness is involved. They've been lying to us. This is not right. A lot of people are waking up spiritually. So this is a time when a lot of energy is available, and a lot of time you know, has passed since like the last big hoopla, like the last big giant event that scares people to death on like CNN. They kind of gave us a break, and they gave us just some because every other week it was something. Like last year there was Ebola, there's the mosquito thing, there was what else were we supposed to die from? There was all these riots, there's everything, and that is to, you know, get your energy. That's to get your energy. But, you know, now I think it's manifesting in the form of black goo, and a lot of people will buy this black goo, y'all, because they can use it in spell work, and they can use it for manifesting and all this kind of stuff. So if you can get you some black goo, if you live in Michigan, get some black goo. They might tell you it's toxic. Just put some gloves on, put it in a jar or whatever. But they sell this stuff, so you can sell it, water it down, whatever you need to do. Actually, if you have some for purchase, contact me. I'm gonna buy some. But you know, I do live in Texas, so I can easily just go down to Galveston and get some water, and it's in the water, but you can't really see it. It's like microscopic. But if you have the actual goo itself, I would love to have some. So if y'all live in Michigan, write me below. And yeah, I'm pretty sure you can sell it on Etsy or something. So let me know what y'all think about this black goo phenomenon. If you think you know what it is, if they told you what it was and you believe them, and if you think I'm crazy, go ahead and put that in the comments too. And if you witnessed the black goo yourself, and if you got some on your car or, you know, on your street, let me know. Like, take pictures and send them to my Facebook, because I think it's pretty cool. All right, thank y'all so much for watching, and I will see you guys later. Also, if you have any video requests that are simple and like maybe a spell, a certain type of spell you want, or a topic you want covered, put in the comments. I'm not going to do anything that's really mundane or that's already been done 1,000 times. So don't ask me to do something that you can just Google real quick. Just try to keep it more tailored to, you know, the type of videos that I do. Okay, I'll see y'all later. Bye.